So guys, this is the unripe uh, banana. Unripe banana is not plantain, this is banana. So I'm going to peel it, remove it from the skin. It usually have a sticky stem, so I'll put it direct inside water. When you are peeling it, drop it direct inside water and be cutting it. Hope you are seeing I'm dropping it direct inside my shank or inside their basin, cutting it. And you fetch a water in their bowl where you peel it and drop it direct inside so that it will control the dark color of it. So after opening it like this, you can see all at once. Now use your hand to remove it, to remove the peel. Drop it in your basin like that, straight into the water. That's how we are going to do until we finish peeling it. So this is the skin now. You can throw this away, then wash your banana, ripe banana very well. Now use the knife to remove, there are some part of the skin that is here. Now scrape it out. Make it neat. Until you finish all of them. So it is ready to grade it now. And when you apply this method of peeling it with water, you will not have that sticky stain. You see, your knife is clean, your hand is clean, no stick on it. It's not gummy on your, there is no, that gummy liquid is not on your hand. So it's very clean now. So what we are to do now is to grade it. So it's done with grading now. So you add water in your pot, in your cooking pot, the quantity of water that you take for this. Then and add your ingredients when it is boiling. I'm going to show you all that. Then you cut this into it. You'll be cutting it. So I'm going to show you how you cook it till it is ready for eating. Cooking this otomboro, these are the recipes, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I'm using here dry fish. It's well washed. My onions, then a lot of crayfish. You add a lot of crayfish. Then my pepper, salt, then no cube. That's my seasoning. Then oil. I'll add oil to it. So as the water is boiling now, I'm going to add all these ingredients one after the other. The water is boiling, so I'm going to add everything that I want to use for this cooking. I'm going to add my onions, then adding my fish, my salt and pepper, my seasoning, adding my crayfish, taste it and see. Okay, I'll add my salt again. I'll add salt again. I'll add my oil. Allow it to